Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. I like simple recipe with pasta, spaghetti. I love spaghetti too. And here I have half a pound of spaghetti for 2 people, my wife and I, so that's fine. I put that to cook and it will cook between from 11 minutes to 15 minutes depending how you like it. So here, what you want to do is to extend your pasta so that it kind of melt into the water. And there is 100 different types of sauce that I do with that. This one is quite simple. I have one little container of anchovies here. This is 2 ounces. So I'll put the oil in there and put my anchovies on the table to cut it. I have 3 cloves of garlic that I'm going to crush. Okay, to remove the shell. Cut it in half. All right. So I have a good tablespoon and a half of garlic. That little can of anchovy fillet, there is about 8, 10 in there. Here it goes. And I have half of a jalapeno pepper here. And when I use jalapeno pepper like this, I usually, taste it because this one is pretty hot. So sometimes it's like a green pepper, and sometimes it's really hot. That in there. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons of parmesan cheese in there. I'm going to put like 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, and that's it. This is my sauce. What I do when I'm ready, close to serving it, even now, I put that in the microwave oven. 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. That's enough to cook the garlic and stuff like this. Okay, my pasta is cooked now. What I do, usually I pick up about half a cup of liquid that I keep there, and I'll drain the pasta. I want it nicely drained. And now that was in the microwave for like a minute, so I'm putting the pasta in there, and of course stirring it. I have half a pound of pasta now. It's more than enough for 2 or 3 people. And depending on how long I'm going to make it wait, if that stays there 5-6 minutes, all of that water will be gone. I want to put some parsley now on top. Parsley here. Certainly a little bit of this that I can add here. And all of those anchovies in the bottom here. Anchovies and garlic. Cheese on top. And maybe a little dash of oil. And this is it. Spaghetti with anchovy and garlic. Delicious. Happy cooking.